Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the questions based on simplification and give result in rational number in lowest form. One example is already written here. In this questions we are having addition, subtraction, bracket and division. So we will follow BODMAS rule in this question. First of all we are going to solve this bracket, and in this bracket we are having the multiplication of two decimal number. 81 multiplied by 27, 2187. Then count the digit after decimal in both the number 1 and 1. 2. Decimal will shift from your right to left 2 place. Here we left with 21.87 divided by 0.09. Now with having subtraction, addition and division, we will solve division first. I am going to remove the decimal. How many digits after decimal? 2. So 100 will be in the denominator. Same here. How many digits? 2. 9 by 100. Division of rational number is possible if we are changing this division sign into multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second term, 100 by 9. 100, 100, 1s are, and 9, 2s are 18, 4 and 3. Now we are left with 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 2, 43 by 1. Now we are having addition and subtraction of rational number, which can be done by taking LCM. The LCM of 5, 4 and 1 is 20. 20 divided by 5, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 20 divided by 4, 5 multiplied by 1. 20 divided by 1, 20 multiplied by 2, 43 is 4860. Now 8 and 4860 both are positive number. We are going to add them first. 4868 minus 5 by 20. Now 4863 by 20. Both the numbers in the numerator and the denominator have their common SCF, that is 1 only. So this rational number is in the lowest form. Moving to the next example. I am taking next example. 1.44 bracket start, 144 divided by 12 bracket close minus 0.225 plus 3.276. Same as here, according to BODMAS, we will first solve this bracket. 144 divided by 12, 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. 1.44 multiplied by 12, we'll just multiply the numbers first. 144 multiplied by 12, 1728. Count the digit after decimal, 2 only. So decimal will shift 2 place from your right to left. 17.28 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. 17.28 plus 3.276. Because both are positive number, we are going to add them first. 20.556 minus 0.225. Now we are left with the subtraction. So 20.331. We have to give the result in rational number. How many digits we are having in the after decimal in the number? 3. So we'll place 1000 in the denominator, and both the numbers have their SCF 1. So this is our answer. This number is in the lowest form. Moving to the next example, 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus 1 by 25 multiplied by 1 by 2 minus 2 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 5. First we are going to solve this multiplication. If you want to cut the number, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. If you will not cut, even then it is okay. Otherwise, to make the calculation easy, if it is better, you should cut the numbers in the numerator and the denominator. What we left in the numerator? 3 into 1 3, 5 2s are 10, 1 into 1 1, 25 2s are 50, 2 into 1 into 1 1, 5 5s are 25. Now again we left with the addition and the subtraction of rational number, which can be done only by taking LCM. The LCM of 10, 50 and 25 is 50. 50 divided by 10, 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 50 divided by 51 multiplied by 1, 50 divided by 25, 2, multiplied by 1, 2. So first we'll going to add 15 plus 1, 16, minus 2, 14 by 50. We know that both the numbers in the numerator and the denominator are commonly divisible by 2. We are left with 7 by 25. Now both the number in the numerator and the denominator have their HCF is only 1. So this number is in the lowest form. Now we are going to revise the questions of BT. These questions we have already discussed in our worksheet. Let us recapitulation of these things. Without actual division, tell minus 28 upon 250 has terminating or non-terminating decimal form. Minus 28 by 250. In this method, we must ensure firstly that the given rational number must be in the standard form. Now, both the number are divisible by 2. So, we are going to divide both the numbers by 2. Now, the number left with we have 14 by 125. After that, we will take the prime factorization of the denominator only. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. After prime factorization, what we observe, all the prime factors are 5 only. Therefore, it has terminating decimal form. Decimal form. If the prime factorization has only 2, either 2 or 5 or 2 or 5, only in that case the given rational number has terminating decimal form. Moving to the next question, convert this rational number into decimal. Now I am going to divide the numerator with the denominator. 7 ones are 7, 43, 7 6 are 42, 1. Now 1 is not divisible by 7, so we will move to the decimal part. Now 10 is a 7 ones are 7, 30, 7 fours are 28, 20, 7 twos are 14, 6, 1 0 will automatically come, 7 eights are 56, 40, 7 fives are 35, 50, 7 sevens are 49. Now what we have left in the denominator? 1. It will become 10, and what we'll see? 7 ones are 7. The same. Now the digit will start repeating from this step. The denominator will not become 0 because the digits start repeating itself in the quotient. So we'll give the answer 16.142857. The bar is on all the digits in the quotient which start repeating. So, home assignment for today. Do question number 6 of worksheet 3 and try to solve questions of BT.